Very nice.
Thank you. Oh.
Hello, we're here today with Elizabeth, the Lush Cardiff manager. And you came up with, you saw Mark, didn't you?
Yes. Yeah, we had a visit from Mark into the Cardiff store, and I'd said to him, I really want to bring a bit of Welshness to the store and have a St David's Fresh and Flowers box. And then I got in touch with Michelle, and here it is. Yeah. So inside here we're full of lots of symbols of Wales that symbolise the patriotism and bravery of the Welsh and just make us all feel like we're at home. So for St David's Day you can come and find this in all the Welsh Lush stores.
And we're going to do subscription as well. So yeah, but obviously it'd be nicer to come to the store because you're going to have compounders that are going to make the face mask. You're going to have party kits to make the daffodil bubble blower. So that'd be really good, wouldn't it? So
yeah, absolutely.
A real celebration.
Yeah, so you can come and be like a master compounder yourself and come and make the daffodil bubble blower with us. So that'll be in Cardiff, Carmarthen, Swansea and Broughton. And obviously the St David's Day parade comes past the Cardiff shop on St David's Day. So if you wanted to make it extra special on the day itself, then you could come in and do the product making with us before your parade or post parade, during parade.
Oh, that's really nice. Yeah. So we've just been to Kerry's garden because that's where we're growing the daffodils at the moment for the boxes. So at the moment they're this big, just the stalks of them at the moment. So I'm hoping in a month's time there'll be proper daffodils, but you either get the daffodil flowers or you'll get a bulb which is nearly there. So we're waiting to see what happens.
Plant at home or in a vase.
Yes. We've had a really fun day today, haven't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
So you came to Unit 1 and you tried out the party kit that you can have from the shop. So you actually made the party kit to see if it worked.
Yeah, and it's quite different than our other party kits. This one involves a lot more work in the product before you put it in the mould. So if you like to get really stuck in there, this is going to be one for you. And I was trained as we went along.
You had quite a few people training you how to press it into the mould properly and how to get the hole and everything.
Yeah, and how to get all of this part of the shape.
You had quite a lot of attention with our master compounds.
I did,
which was
yeah.
Lovely.
It could be my next job, who knows?
And then I'm going to be starting with, in my bath, with St David's Day bubble blower. So what you do is you dip it in water and you swirl it around and you can blow bubbles with it.
And this is going to give you a nice wake-up smell with the You've Been Mangoed scent.
And you said you need it to be good morning.
Yeah, we wanted a Bara scent that's just good morning in Welsh. So this was something that actually my trainee manager had said ages ago, and she'd come up with a Bara face mask in a design. And then I thought, actually, that's really nice, having a bit of a wake-up scent for the bath. So that's what led to this.
So in the bath, you like swish it around in the water. And let's see if I can get it to work.
Ooh,
Yay.
That was pretty good.
Perfect.
Yeah, there we go.
And then while you're in the bath, then you've got your cleansing roll. So obviously it's a leek design.
Yes, which again, classic symbol of St David's Day and of Wales, popped into the soldiers' hats with St David. That's where that came from, as a great symbol of bravery.
You get to name it because it's the Welsh name, which I can't say.
Yes, it's called Bara Lawr.
So we use leeks, which has got vitamin A in it, and it's also got lava seaweed.
Yes, we've got almost gourmand scents in this box, so I know that everyone's loving the gourmand trend at the moment, and we've got a bit of a lava bread mix in here, and you're going to come across some Welsh cakes and Bara brith type smells coming along in the rest of the box.
To use it, you just take a pinch. I'm soaking this one a little bit more because it's got the seaweed in it. But yeah, you make a little paste with it, and then obviously I just rub it in circular motions on my face. I don't know if you do it differently.
Exact same, yeah. I used this last night to try it out for the first time, and the seaweed was lovely. It leaves it nice and flaky in your bath, so don't be surprised when you see bits of seaweed in there. But yeah, it felt really nutrient rich on my skin, and I felt nice and plump this morning.
And then after I've used that, then I use the face mask. And the face mask is called
A Dydd, Dewi, Hapus chi. So this is given the Welsh name to the face mask itself for St David's Day, rather than just telling us in English. If we're having a Welsh box, we might as well use the Welsh language, hey? So happy St David's Day face mask for us.
And then also you made the face mask as well.
Yes.
They're really patient with you, and then you like weighed it all out and had to weigh out all the things properly.
Yeah, it was so hard to not just be like a gram over something, which would have changed how the product came out. And it's lovely that in here we've got our Welsh honey, which you've sourced as well from Newtown.
So they've got 25 hives, so it's like really small. They take the nectar from the wild blossoms around there, so.
Yeah, lovely, nice local source, isn't it? Always nice when you feel like you can pop down the road from your own shop to the source of one of your product ingredients.
Yes, yeah. So yeah, antimicrobial, natural preservative, it retains moisture, and I've also got some softening maple syrup in it as well, and gentle oatmeal.
Yeah, and thinking of those like gourmand scents, this smells of the honey, maple syrup, a bit of vanilla and tonka in there. So again, if you're loving those sweet smells, you'll be wanting to get this on your face too.
And then obviously while you're wearing the face mask, you get to wear the iPads. So yeah, you get
I get to wear the iPads. So while I'm popping these iPads on, they are inspired by one of our lovely Welsh folk stories.
So the story behind it is on the back of the postcard as well. So you kind of can read that and then put your iPads on and then relax.
Yeah, and a lot of these stories come from the Mabinogion, which is a collection of early Welsh legends. One of my favourite stories is the one with Olwen, and who doesn't love a princess, right?
So they've got soothing rose water and oat milk in them, and fresh aloe, and soothing carrageen. Very nice. And then after your bath, you get dried, and then you can extend your treatment with the Love Spoon hand cream.
Now, the tradition of carving a love spoon comes from a single piece of wood. So did you use a single piece of cocoa butter?
Single piece of cocoa here.
Just to stay with the tradition. This smells a little like our Bara breath with some similar ingredients. So we've got orange zest in here.
I put white tea in it, and I also put raisins in it as well, so brightening raisins, yeah. I use it in a really weird way because I don't want to ruin the design, so I kind of gently apply it to my skin. But I put it everywhere. My feet were lovely and soft yesterday, so yeah.
Yeah, I too used it all over.
Cream.
Quite a nice one if you are applying on someone else as well, I would think, with the way the shape stays in. Sort of more natural glide than doing it for yourself, isn't it? I have with me a knot wrap, which I had from the store many moons ago, and it is all the beautiful things of Wales. It calls it the land of history and romance, and on here we've got lots of the lovely symbols you'll see in the box again, our national emblem, the leek, daffodils, and you'll see here lots of people in our national costume, which you see on St David's Day in the parade too.
So we hope you enjoy this box. If you want to subscribe, just go to thelush.com. And there's a little subscription button, and you can subscribe there, or you can go to one of our Welsh shops and buy it from there.
Yeah, we'd love to celebrate with you what it means to be Welsh. So you can either come in and celebrate by joining our master compounders and making your own St David's Day bubble blower, or you could just come in and buy a box. You can also always request to have us speak to you in Welsh in store and have a Welsh consultation. We do Welsh parties, so yeah, please feel comfortable using the Welsh language in our stores as well. Dydd, Gŵyl, Dewi, Hapus, a chi.
See you later. See you next time.
Bye. Well. That was some expert bubble blowing.
Whoa, oh yeah, just showing off the big one now.
Almost there.